Welcome to Finance Friday. Today we are going to talk about how to get out of credit card debt. I will remind you that I am not a financial advisor. However, I am someone who at one point in her life had a lot of credit card debt. When my kids were younger, my ex had some job issues, and yes, we had credit card debt. So been there, done that. So first of all, I would be remiss if I didn't say, learn to say no to buying things. If you can't afford to pay off that credit card every month, you shouldn't be using it for anything other than emergencies, like doctor's visits for your kids, or if you have to buy them like a medication or something like that. A vacation is not a necessity. If you have a lot of credit card debt, don't go on vacation. It will not kill you to stay home. Do not buy things because there's a really good sale. It's not on sale if you have to charge it, because you have to realize if you're paying 21, 22, 24% interest on something every month compounded, you're paying way more than regular prices for the clothes or the sneakers or whatever it was that you wanted to buy. So, number one, if you have credit card debt, and I'm going to assume that you probably have multiple credit cards if you do, first thing you do is you decide what is the one credit card that you should keep. And the rest of them, take a pair of scissors and cut them up into little bits and throw them away so that you cannot use them. What you want to do is you look at all of the credit cards that you have, pick out the one that has the highest interest rate, and then you start paying everything you can on that one card so that you're working to pay it off. Make minimum payments on the others, but throw all of the money that you can on that. And if you can get a side hustle or a little part-time job or something, do that and just designate that money to pay that debt down. Also, if they're all, say, the exact same interest rate, then you look at the one that has the least amount of charge on it, the smallest balance on it, and you pay that one off. Then you move to the next card and you pay that one off, and so on until you've got all your credit card debt paid off. The other thing I did that I found useful when I was younger and I had credit card debt, what we did is once we were on a more financially stable part of our lives, because my ex had lost a couple of jobs, and then of course we started a business. The kids were young. We didn't have two dimes to rub together for a very long time. So once we got in a better position, what I did was I went to the bank. I said, I have this much debt, and I'd like to put it on a personal loan. Now the trick is you can't put all your debt on a personal loan and then go back to charging on your credit cards. That is insane. So you go and, like I said, cut up the cards, and you go get to the bank and you say, okay, can I go and get a personal loan to pay this off? Because your interest rate is going to be a lot less than what you're paying on those credit cards. So work on that if you can do that, but you have to stop charging. Learn to say no to yourself. Realize that when you're buying something, you're not paying what you're paying that compounded. Credit card debt's hard. Back when I was in debt, the credit card interest rates weren't that high. There was maybe 8, 10%. What the rates are now is just astronomical, and it's compounded each month. And for heaven's sakes, pay your credit cards on time. Do not be late. You can't be throwing those, late fees on there. That just gets you more in the hole. So like I said, learn to say no to yourself. Cut up all but one of your cards. Start by paying off the one with the highest rate. If they are all the same rate, then start by paying off the one with the least amount of balance so that you can get that one out of the way. Then you go to the next and the next and the next. Or go to a bank and say, can I get a personal loan for this? But then don't charge anything. I know it's hard, but believe me, it's so much better when you get out the other side and when you just start paying for things as you can instead of charging things, because it's a hole that once you get into it, it's really hard to get out of. So I hope that information helps you.